First off, content that sparks engagement. In the book, I actually talk about how PIMCO's bond king, Bill Gross, actually came out swinging against the Federal Reserve related to their quantitative easing plan. And he actually posted a tweet that said, "Central banks, where bad bonds go to die." It was very simple, but it also engaged a lot of people in the online social world. Secondly is content that boosts your credibility. Remember that the more content you create around a specific topic, like retirement planning or cash management, the more you actually build your credibility. And the easier it will be for people to actually find you when they're searching for that content online. And then lastly is content that solves a pain point. Remember that when people are online searching for answers to their questions, they're not searching for someone's name or a company's name for help. Rather, they're typing in a question. Can I find a good financial advisor? How do I choose a financial advisor? How do I pay my taxes quickly online? So you want to think about the questions that people are going to be writing into that search engine to help you think about the content that you're going to create that's going to be simple and powerful.